front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on the security and privacy section available here. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. And finally, select screen lock. Now it's time to click on screen lock at the top left corner and pick one of those: pattern, pin or password. After you decided, wait 5 seconds and in the meantime read this pop-up. Then hit got it and create your login method. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wanna add a fingerprint right away, hit add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now, select cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!